I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here in Dorset on a job site with MJL Group and Shane. Shane, you have got this brand new Volvo EC230 fully kitted with Leica machine control and an Engcon. And you were saying to me earlier, we've just been doing some general works here. You know, you have been using the 3D as well. That it's your first time with a tilt rotator, and you started in 1997 being an operator, didn't you?
It is, yeah. First time on the Engcon. Matt kind of insisted, yeah, we'll have one, have a play about with it, and yeah, loving it.
So tell me, what was the nerves at the start, and what sort of made you say that I'm loving it, sort of thing?
Yeah, well, it's just you're obviously competing so much on the levers at the minute, and then you're sort of now playing about with the thumbs. So it was just, yeah, getting the nerves of which way it's going to go in and everything else. Once you get the hang of it, still learning a little bit now, but yeah, kind of thinking I'm more or less there now. So yeah, and the nerves is just, yeah, it's, you know, it's an extra bit of weight on the end of the machine as well. So you've got to take that into consideration out on full snaps and everything. So yeah. I wouldn't want to go back now. I wouldn't want to go back.
You wouldn't want to go back, and you have been just laying down some stone today because we're preparing a bridge section here on a big house building site, well over 700 houses going in here. But you have been using the Leica 3D machine control with the Engcon as well. And talk to me through how that's sort of worked, because you've used machine control before, but obviously are not with a tilt rotator.
Yeah, well, obviously I haven't got on today doing a bit of backfilling, but it's amazing. It's just, you line yourself up on a drain line, or when you're on a cambered road and everything else. There's no movement in the machine, less movement in the machine, and see it all on the see it on the screen, and that is just makes my job a little bit easier.
Certainly does. And I think what's interesting there as well, you mentioned, there's a lot less movement around because, you've been, playing with the Engcon as such, loading from different angles as well. You would have normally had to sort of track around more and move the machine more, wouldn't you?
You kind of, you'd be tracking yourself up. You've got batters here to go on with. You just sit the machine at one angle and then just play about, and that, as in this Engcon is, it's just, and like you say, the machine as well is, touch wood, it is all great.
So let's talk about the machine. Obviously you're looking after it, boots off and in the cab and everything like that. That's really important for you were saying earlier. But what about this Volvo EC230? Tell us a little bit about the new machine. Yeah,
well, it's a complete new dash, new size as well. It replaced the 220. We got the electric servos. We got the original Volvo levers running with the Engcon. So that's all kept as standard as it can. It is a lovely machine. I do drive around in my socks. I look at this as my second home. Yeah, I'm in this 8-9 hours a day, 5 days a week. So yeah, I like to look after it. It's not mine, but yeah, I do like to look after my stuff. So
fair enough.
It is.
And so folks, certainly looking after all the work as well here on a big construction site, lots of new houses going in here, and what's really exciting is the whole total site has got a total station in the offices that I've seen that is literally sending all the models out to the machine. So you don't have to go and plug in any USB sticks. You get in the morning, and when you're doing that work with the machine control, it's all there, isn't it? Yeah. That must make a big difference.
Oh,
as well.
It's excellent. Like you say, you just click on the drain line, you line yourself up, go on again. Curb line, exactly the same. Your road cutting, just dip down what your road cut is, and then you start bringing it all back up. It is amazing. Yeah, this 1 point is a great bit of kit.
So the whole point there, you mentioned 1 point that the team actually look after you guys as the operators, and anything that goes sort of wrong or you're not too sure about things, they're there for you.
Yeah, well, the machine turned up without the 1 point on. Adam, he come and fitted it. We've had Rob out here as well. We've had a bit of a chat about, he ordered a couple of things on here just to make it a bit more driver friendly. Can't fault them. Lovely guys.
Well, fantastic to see you today. Lovely to see you using Leica 3D machine control as well.
Thank you very much.
Carry on with all the tasks. Cheers.
Cheers, Peter. Thank you.